Well, hey there, friends. It's time for Circle. I'm so glad you can join me. And don't forget, tomorrow is our Zoom meeting. So let's go ahead and stand for the Pledge of Allegiance. Our right hand is on our heart, eyes are on the flag, and we say, I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. Same hand goes to our side and we say, I am somebody. I will succeed in school and life. I will achieve. Let's join together to work and share. Let's show the world we care. At Woodbridge ECEC, we are a team. At Woodbridge ECEC, we'll reach our dreams. All right, let's take a look at our calendar. So yesterday we had our Zoom story, our felt story, and it was so nice to see Rosalind and Judah. Today is the 22nd day of April, and let's sing our Days of the Week song, figure out what day of the week it is. Here we go, let's snap it out. Snap it out. Let me do a snap again, are you ready? Here we go. There's Sunday and there's Monday, there's Tuesday and there's Wednesday, there's Thursday and there's Friday, and then there's Saturday. Days of the week. Let me hear ya. Snapping it out. Sunday and there's Monday, there's Tuesday and there's Wednesday. Days of the week. Days of the week. Days of the week, days of the week, days of the week. All right, and today's the 22nd, and that is Wednesday, April 22nd, 2020. Tomorrow we have a star because we're having our Zoom meeting. We're going to have a scavenger hunt during that Zoom meeting. So I hope you're able to join us at 9:30 tomorrow morning. All right, we predicted sun with clouds for today, and that was a very good prediction. It's pretty sunny out there right now. What kind of weather do you think we're going to have tomorrow? Oh, I heard someone say some cloudy weather. All right, I'm going to put that right there in our prediction square. Cloudy weather is our prediction for tomorrow. All right, let's say the alphabet together. Are we ready? Here we go. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. All right, now we're going to count all the way to 20. Are you ready to count to 20? How about when we count to 20, we sit and flap our arms up and down like we're going to fly away. So up is 1, down is 2, up is 3, and down is 4. Are you ready? Let's do it together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now we're going to go faster. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Whew, almost flew away. That was a close one. All right, let's count backwards from 10. Here we go. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Now let's see, what can we find here? What is something that's gray? Can you find something that is gray? Oh, there they are, those elephants. And they have those big, long tusks. That's what this is right here. It's a tusk. And how about on this page? Let's find a shape. Can you find the rhombus? Where's the rhombus? There it is, right there. Good job. What color is our rhombus? It is red. Let's go ahead and we're going to take a look and sing our shape song if my internet agrees to let us. See if we can get it to go. Sing it together. Shapes, angles and lines, there are flat shapes and solid shapes. We see them all the time. I want you to say it too. Are you ready? It's what we like to do. Here we go. Circle, circle, square, square, triangle, triangle, rectangle, rectangle, oval, oval, diamond, diamond, heart, heart, star, star. Let's sing it. Angles and lines are flat shapes. We see them all the time. I want you to say it too. Shape, name, game. Here we go. What is that called? A rhombus. What's another word for it? Rhombus or diamond. Excellent job, friends. Nice job singing along with our song. Our nursery rhyme this week is the Muffin Man. Do you know the Muffin Man? The Muffin Man, the Muffin Man. Do you know the Muffin Man who lives in Drury Lane? Yes, I know the Muffin Man. The Muffin Man, the Muffin Man. Yes, I know the Muffin Man who lives in Drury Lane. Now, when I hear this, it always makes me think of the movie Shrek. Have you ever seen the movie Shrek? And in Shrek, they have a scene with the Muffin Man. So let's see if I can pull it up. And it's not with the Muffin Man, but it's about the Muffin Man. So this is the bad guy. And this is Gingy, the gingerbread man. Run as fast as you can. Can't catch me on the gingerbread man. Well, they caught him. And they're going to eat his legs. Let's see what happens next.
Patience has reached its end. Tell me, or I'll... No, not the buttons. Not my gumdrop buttons. All right, then. Who's hiding them? Okay, I'll tell you. Do you know the Muffin Man? The Muffin Man? The Muffin Man. Yes, I know the Muffin Man. Who lives on Drury Lane? Well, she's married to the Muffin Man. The Muffin Man? The Muffin Man! She's married to the Muffin Man. My lord, we found it.
All right. So if you haven't seen Shrek before, it is a very funny movie, and I highly recommend it. It's full of all kinds of giggles and laughs. So let's take a look at some money. What is this one? It is a quarter. Right here we have a nickel. This one is a penny. And right here is a dime. Excellent. What number is this? 7, 1, 9, 4, 10, 6, 2, 8, 5, 3. I always think the 3 looks like a pumpkin missing its little pumpkin head. Our letter this week is the letter Y. Y says, yeah, yeah, yeah. What does Y say? Let me hear ya. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Like, yeah, yeah, yo-yo. The color, yeah, yeah, yellow. And this big old ugly animal is called a yeah, yeah, yak. All right. We're going to sing about where we start our letters, and it's always at the bottom, right? No, it's at the top. That's right.
Where do you start your letters at the top? Where do you start your letters at the top? If you want to start a letter, then you better remember to start it at the top.
Here we go. Letters, start your letters at the top.
Letters, letters, start your letters at the top. Letters, letters, start your letters at the top. Start your letters at the top. Where do you start your letters at the top? Where do you start your letters at the top? If you want to start a letter, then you better remember to start it at the top. Is this the top, top, top? No.
It's the bottom.
Is this the top, top, top?
No, it's the middle.
Is this the top, top, top?
It
Yes,
sure
it's the top,
is.
top, top. Where do you start your letters at the top?
Reach up. Way up.
Is that the top? Yes, it's the top. Reach up and touch the top.
Reach down. Way
Is that
down.
the bottom? Yes, it's the bottom.
Reach out and touch the bottom.
1, 2, 3, 4.
Top, bottom. Shake it in the middle. Reach up.
Top,
Bottom. Shake it in the middle. Up.
top, bottom.
Shake it in the middle.
Where do you start your letters at the top?
Then get your R's.
Where do you start your letters at the top? Where do you start your letters at the top? If you want to start a letter, then you better remember to start it at the top. Is this the top, top, top?
No, it's the bottom.
Is this the top, top, top?
No, it's the middle.
Is this the top, top, top? Yes,
It's the top, top, top.
Where do you start your letters at the top? Move to the rhythm.
All right. We're making the letter Y today. So we're going to grab a little line, put it under Mr. Matt's smiling face. We're going to turn that little line into a slide in. Then we're going to grab a big line. And we're going to put it next to the little slide and make it a big slide. We made the letter Y. So my turn. Listening ears on, hands in lap. Inside voices off. My turn. Remember, it starts under Mr. Matt's smiling face, but the words we use are little slide in. Frog jump over. Big slide down. Okay, one more time. Listening ears. Starting under Mr. Matt's smiling face, we say little slide in. Frog jump over. Big slide down. All right, you do it with me. You ready? Put your fingers at the top. And here we go. Little slide in. Frog jump over. Big slide down. All right. How about one more time, just because I like to hear your voice? Let's do it again. Starting at the top. Little slide in. Frog jump over. Big slide down. Wonderful, friends. I hope you are having a wonderful day. I miss you so much, but I love seeing you when we have our Zoom. So remember, tomorrow we're going to have our Zoom at 9:30 in the morning, and we're going to have a scavenger hunt in your house. I hope to see you there. Stay safe. Play outside today because it's supposed to rain tomorrow. Bye, everyone.